so kon peyo wang ki sanan kan ko lukan ko na nalang ko nang kanyi ko wang choro rong saban machain kop na koryang kop na speaker and legislature sound ko kung lapalapakan nan kanyan siya momot sa government ho chon kon peyo sab pechawan luka kuburan korasong nan saban machay pangarang watch ngay sarili Nicolas Megan Pachuan Kalile Kukurangan, Autapan sa Palmachay Roman Ranwich. O ya charalapan sa Palmachay Ronkan, sa Palmachay Librarian Pompey Pachuan Alagir Sawas, sang kanyang Rotar Kulapan Pompey, Palian Micronesian Red Cross Society, Pan Pachuan Apali, Samarkand, o Kasilo, Labalaban government and when Matalanim Pachuan Parak Sabulmachay President NFSL. Kanyang Rong Pan Sang Colonia Wayne Pompey. Ni Mary Sabtuaw and Pariagate Sabtuaw Panian Rong Nan Sabulmachay Letion Pompey. Pachuana Natire Rong Mepiteo Sawas Ne Panian Pompey Public Library Pachuana Latir or Sawas Watch Pachabacho Nichakeo. Sawaswat Pachawan Miyawi sang Panian Pompey Rotary Club o Pachabacho ni Chalam Yakut. Metway Sawasa wasan iray sarikan kay Children's Library Section nan Sabal Machay Librarian Pompey. Nanuyapan tataw kay Sawas to the Nation Watch Kaunan Pompey Public Library yang agi raychon tataw kay Pompey Public Library o Konkapan Librarian Pompey, Pachawan Miyaray Chungan Kapim, Hong Panian Rotary Club, Pueki Sawas, Mayray, Palwat, Pachawan Miyang, Sabon Machay, Library, and Wen Pompey. Karyawan Sabon Machay, Rongan Ronwat, Pilpan, Samacha Colonia, Wen Pompey, ni June 101 Barnyagate Sabtuaw, Palian Rong, Nan Sabon Machay, Region Pompey, Pit Pachawana Natire Rong Mepit North, Facebook Red Cross Youth Super Camp Meban Pachawan Miao Nan Win Pompey, 9 Sangpongan July, and Parwat Ye Pang Yagate Sabtuaw. Ye ni July Sablumaw, Len ni July Sabtuaw, and Pang Yagate Sabtuaw. Nintuan Taman Sang Option Red Cross Mebachanan Win Pompey, the summer camp watch pan Pachawan Mia with pets, none way Matalanim, o Panong right Salikan, the Sang Sampare Sapulima, led Sampare Sapisu, a Panong right Salikan, the Pan Sang Wayne, Marshall Island, Wayne Panang, or Wayne at the Sun Watch. Mecha Wiapa Wayne Summon Program Watch Pan Pachawan Miawi, or Pan Pachawan Upon. Pan Micronesian Red Cross Society, the MRCS. Red Cross Society and Pompey Pachawan Lukay Rai Nobulkan Mepachpacho Nan Sampa, Haysak Luna, Led Sambare Sabsu, and Yang Chaweta Campwatch, or application or register on Campwatch, Pachawan Langata, or Pan Pachawan Machiti, Nichune Saptayo, and Pan Yakati Saptua. On mga Chican Camp Watch, kakalante ni Option Micronesian Red Cross, Mebachanan Colonia, Wayne Pompey. Time sa Lan sa Palmachay Roman Ranwich, Pan Sang Pelican, Wayne Pompey. Ni June 101 Barriakite sa Tuang sa Palmachay President and Pasami sa Excellency David W. Panuelo, Pachawan Chuang Eray Lapalapakan Government and Wayne Matananium Yeman Qatar Lapalap, Honorable Patrick Ringland, Sound Kokung Lapalap and Wayne Matananium, Pumi Albert, Speaker Edmund Jian South and Wayne Matananium, Moisner John, o Iray Lapalap Chaikan and Government and Wayne Matananium. Karaban Iray Lapalap Kataray Pachawan Parak Sabal Machay President and FSM Ye Kwe Railan Mia Haray Chungan Kapung. The congratulations on Sabal Machay President Cup or Bipachawan Kosa President Cup Project and Sawas and Pil Oal me Uyawi Nanway Matalani. Nanchu Banawachrail Bachawan Kairek President Tenepesem Uyaban Tataukan Kasarawi and groundbreaking O Yawitan Nanway Matalani O Yawitan Kanyan Pil Niyoksan Way Matalani ni local dispensary o ni high school and Way Matalani o Pil Eos Sawas Stosan was singkit, may government and way Japan. Pan Pachawan Sawas niyang way matalanim na pan niya. Inanan Sawas and napali yapan kasi lakit na way matalanim. Na tatokan chupanawat sa Palmachay President na basa ni Saksalem si David W. Panuelo, Pil Pachawan Kasaleta, Hachuan Sailok, may Pachawan niya ang way United States. Nanan sa may Pachawan niya na President na person. President Pil Pachawan Kaula Pasaleta na Pilmiya, pasarawit at groundbreaking, panuyawin na isang pungan subjecta, ni Captain na person, may Pachapanikal, Hong Padian na person Convention Center. May kuya na tsakan autapan sa Palmachay Roman Ronwood, kalanganan kumuran koras o Kasalelya.